sort of, there's not really a trail, you just simply, so you can kind of see here, this is the landscape. You got plenty of water. Continuing on here, forgive my vertical camera position before.
This bit here.
But then there's steps. We're probably way too old to be doing this, by the way. You see where somebody did a couple of steps there, we'll try to avoid it.
And down. A lot of butt slides. You gotta have
I don't know if it's kind of shows it, but we're second guessing. And Kelly's a little nervous. It's tougher than it looks. You might be able to see the road out in here. That's the road. I'll show you what she's trying to. This is rocky. This is tight. You do. Yeah. Definitely on the. For now is not kill any of this vegetation. Don't stop, keep moving. Off in the distance, there's a parking lot. I'll never do this hike ever again. It is